This bike is fun! Hello Team Power Sports fans, and welcome back to another exciting episode of the TPS Moto Vlog. My name is Sarah, I will be your host today, and we are in luck because Yamaha is here with their factory demo truck. And they've got a whole fleet of awesome 2022 Yamaha motorcycles available for demo ride. What I'm going to be taking a look at today is the all-new 2022 Yamaha R7. Now this motorcycle is the replacement, if you want to call it that, for the R6 in Yamaha's supersport lineup. And what's cool about this motorcycle is that it is based on the CP2 engine that you would find in the MT-07. So it's a 270-degree offset crank parallel twin. Makes, you know, pretty fun amounts of torque, a reasonable amount of horsepower, and over, like, compared to the MT-07, this has a strengthened frame, full fairings, you've got your inverted forks, they are adjustable, a little bit better brakes, they're actually radial mounted brakes, both at the disc and then up here at the lever. Notice how the brake pulls into the bar, so as you increase braking, it actually increases the brake force delivered to the discs. So without any further ado, I am on a little bit of a schedule here. We're going to go ahead and get out on the brand new 2022 Yamaha R7. Okay, very cool. That's really nice. It's got a very super sport riding position, so my feet are up high away from the ground and then back, definitely behind the seat. It's a nice low handlebar position, feet up and tucked. If you can look at my control rider up there, he is in a true super sport style ride position. And the power comes on nice. It's very, very smooth, very manageable, but it is quick enough that it for sure reminds me of, like, my bike, the CBR 600. I was looking up a few stats, and while this thing only has like high 70s, low 80s on the horsepower, because of the way that cross-plane two-cylinder engine is designed, it actually makes a lot more torque than you would expect on a standard firing order parallel twin. Actually, it's really nice. I'm riding the all black model. It does have a few blue trims here on it. I'm a huge fan of this color blue because if you notice, it's mostly that Yamaha blue, almost like a blurple. Same with the wheels. And I thought from the internet pictures that was actually a black lower fairing, but it's actually like a super dark denim blue with a little bit of metallic flake to it. Ooh, a little rough pavement there. Oh yeah, that's great. That's really great. It has fun, playful acceleration. I'm not going to say it redlines too soon, but if you're comparing this to, say, like an inline four-cylinder engine, it is going to redline a little bit sooner than your typical. The bike itself is extremely light. Extremely light. I mean, you can really just throw this little thing around. All right. Acceleration. Yep, it's got that little shift light that comes on, lets you know that you're getting up close to your red line. The dashboard, while is all digital, actually very easy to read, very easy to look at. Even out here, I'm looking directly into the setting sun, and I can read the gear position indicator, the tachometer. miles per hour. You know, it's very, very clear, easy to pick up screen. And normally I'm a big fan of like an analog tachometer because, I mean, I want to see where the tachs are at, but this this dashboard is really easy to read. Holy smokes, this bike is fun! I really believe that the R7 shows Yamaha's commitment to the technology, the ability to adapt, to make a product that is very good. And I will say this motorcycle is very good. It feels almost like a 300 or like a Ninja 400, you know, that like super small sport class of motorcycle, but with really good suspension. With friendly and playful power delivery. With a nice tucked riding position. Yeah. And a price tag that comes in with a price tag that comes in at $89.99. It's thousands away from other, you know, mid-power super sport bikes. So there it is, the 2022 Yamaha R7, Yamaha's brand new middleweight super sport motorcycle. It's got a lot of really cool technology on it, as we discussed. Suspension is super awesome. I mean, it's very crisp, it's very light handling on the road. It looks like you've got your LED, plus the little accent lights. Hang on, let me turn those on. These little accent lights here on the side, they look amazing. LED turn signals. Beautiful, easy to read dashboard. Notice how the foot pegs are set up and back. It's got these long feelers on there. I love this tail section, how it's got the cutouts like the R6 and R1. Yeah, I mean, it's good. I try and come at these things with, you know, like an open mind, just to make sure that I'm, you know, seeing it from an objective standpoint. But honestly, without throwing any jade or any shade, this bike is really good. I mean, it's really good. We actually have a few left for pre-order here at Team Powersports in Garner, 222 US 70 East. You can find us on the web at www.team-powersportsgarner.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Hashtag is TPSNC at Team Powersports. If you're interested in the Yamaha R7, give us a shout. And thanks for watching the TPS Motovlog. I'm Sarah, and we'll see you next time.